Hello, welcome to a quick unboxing of the iLife X5 Smart Robotic Vacuum Cleaner in TYRANT Gold from GearBest. Just whoops. Here it is, iLife. Here. Yeah. So let's open it up. It's actually already opened up. It's pretty strange. Okay. So this is the EU plug. Let's take it out of here. Ooh, yeah. Here's the manual. Let's take another look. Here's the manual. Wasn't too long. It's in English, that's perfect. Let's put that aside. Yeah. So, let's open it up. Okay, that one is sealed. That's actually so that's the right side up. Dum 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 dum. Okay, so that's just cardboard. And there it is. We have another manual, but this time in I guess Chinese. Instruction manual. Let's go for this very quick. Okay, that's probably warranty. What's that? Quick start guide and well, something similar. So the lid is already opened. That's funny. Let's check this out really quick. Looks like the wet cleaning system. Milliliter. Okay, pretty cool. What do we have here? Oh, that's the remote. Oh, let me rip it open. Oh. Yeah, pretty cool. Then we have the matching batteries here. Which can basically just put them on the fly in here. Just need to get the polarization right. That one is the charging station, I would think. Yeah. Then we have more batteries here, bigger ones. Interesting. That's probably for that one. That looks like one of those guards. Don't take this for granted. I am unboxing it for the first time, obviously. But I think that's one of those guards you can put, well, in the doorway of a room you don't want him to drive in. So it's like doing a laser beam, and then it won't pass that. Again, let's just really quick. Whoa. Not strong enough for the big ones. Ooh, that's easy. Tie, yeah, polarization fits. That one here. Okay, so then we have one more thing. That's the charger for the station, most likely. And then a filter for the vacuum module, I'm sure. Oh, let's put it here. So, did we miss something? Oh, I'll just put it up here. So we have brushes, normal brushes, towel. Out of this. I wasn't sure about the color, but it was the only color that would be available at the time. So I went with it, and it's not bad. It's actually quite good. So that's for cleaning, obviously. And there's the vacuum part. Yeah. Okay. Let's put that away really quick. And get a final shot of it. That's something different. So let's summarize really quick. So remote, not sure how to call it. Let's call it a guard. Oh, I can't see it, it's not visible. Maybe I can see it in camera. It's infrared. No, can't see anything. Okay, so that's for the wet cleaning stuff. Normal vacuum, towel, power supply, docking station. Ah, and there it goes. Yeah. Pretty self-explanatory. I will now charge it up, and that means thanks for watching, and see you in the next unboxing.